Independence Day speech, 14th August, Pakistan Day. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, dear parents, and my fellow Pakistanis, Assalamu alaikum, and a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today, we gather here to celebrate the 14th of August, a day etched in golden letters in the history of our beloved homeland, Pakistan. It was on this day in 1947 that we gained freedom from British colonial rule, and the dream of countless Muslims under the visionary leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah became a reality. This day reminds us of the immense sacrifices made by our ancestors, those who gave up their homes, their comfort, even their lives, for the sake of a separate homeland where we could live with freedom, dignity, and honor. Pakistan was not given to us on a silver platter. It was achieved through decades of struggle, unity, and an unshakable faith in the idea of independence. My dear brothers and sisters, freedom is a blessing, but with freedom comes responsibility. It is our duty, especially as the youth of this nation, to live up to the ideals of our founding fathers. Let us ask ourselves, are we contributing positively to our nation? Are we promoting peace, education, tolerance, and unity? Today, as we raise our flag and sing our national anthem with pride, let us also renew our pledge to make Pakistan stronger, more prosperous, and more just. Let us promise to play our part, no matter how small, in building a Pakistan that future generations can be proud of. May Allah bless Pakistan, protect it from all harms, and guide us all to the right path. Pakistan's